I have had terrible arthritis in my back and my neck, and quite a few orthopedic surgeries, and I was in a lot of pain and didn't want to seek surgery again, and so I decided I would try this, and that was quite a few years ago, because I just didn't want to do anything invasive. My name is Bonnie and I'm from Manitowoc. I've been dealing with my pain, it feels like forever, but it's gradually come on probably over the last 10 years. And then I've had multiple surgeries. I had one back surgery, both knees replaced, and two hip surgeries. Just really bad stiffness, pain. What was really painful to me was pain down my right leg, and it really limited my mobility a lot and caused a lot of pain. My quality of life on a day-to-day basis it varied, but I was still working at the time. I'm retired now, but it was fair to poor. I mean, some days were better than others, obviously, but yeah, it wasn't acceptable to me. I couldn't walk a long distance without a lot of pain. I couldn't work out at the gym as much as I would have liked to. Just sitting was problematic. I just couldn't enjoy the things that I normally like to do. Walk the dog around the block was about all I could do, and that was even painful. Yes, I certainly did feel like I was missing on part of my life. I like to be active. I don't tolerate a lot of debility, so I just was motivated to not be debilitated. I got to that point where it was like, I'm either going to have to go back to the neurosurgeon, and I knew what he was going to say. He was going to say that he needed to do another back surgery, and my goal was to avoid that. So when I saw the advertisement for Midwest Pain Solutions, and there was a free evaluation, I thought, well, what harm is that? You know, I'm going to access all avenues before I go back to the surgeon. I wanted non-invasive and drug-free. I didn't want injections. I didn't want pills. I didn't want surgery. I didn't want any of that stuff before I resorted to any of that, because that's a slippery slope and I don't want to go down it. Before I resorted to that or was forced into that, I wanted to try everything possible. And so that's what made me come here, the whole holistic, non-invasive environment. My expectations of care is that I would get an honest evaluation of what my situation was. And back in the day, it was Dr. Kurt who did my initial evaluation. And he took an x-ray and he said, you know, maybe after I have an x-ray, maybe I can help you or maybe I can't, but I'll honestly tell you. And he honestly did tell me, and I really appreciated that, and I believed him. And yes, I've been coming now for I don't even know how many years, 3 or 4, just to maintain and keep my chronic pain in check. And absolutely, everybody here is wonderful. Laser therapy is my favorite part of the whole thing. I think it just is so relaxing. You know, the chiropractic adjustment is obviously necessary, but the laser is great because it just seems to be very relaxing, and you know, it seems to really help the process along. I mean, I think that's been the secret to how much better I feel. One of the secrets, obviously. Laser therapy doesn't hurt at all. It's just very warm. It's just warm. It's warm heat, and it's on that area that's painful. And so, yeah, it feels good. It's made a huge difference in my life in the fact that now I feel I have less pain right now than I've had in a long time, and it's because I've been coming pretty regularly. I had a flare-up, and I was coming every week, and that really has helped manage it. And I really have very little pain. I mean, stiffness, yes, but all of that acute pain is gone and managed, and I'm very grateful for that. I can walk further. I'm walking a lot more steps. I'm at the gym a lot more, and it's not killing me. You know, afterwards I'm not just a mess, and I can just be more active, and I feel like being more active. I would absolutely recommend Midwest Pain Solutions to others. I think, you know, before anybody goes to a neurosurgeon, because that, you know, their first thing is, well, we better do surgery on that. And before you do that, I would strongly recommend that you have any kind of adjunct therapy you can have that doesn't involve any invasive treatment. You know, and this is a great place to start that. So yes, I would highly recommend that people try Midwest Pain Solutions. Midwest Pain Solutions has helped me maintain my my quality of life that I want to have at almost 70 years old, and I will continue to come here as long as it's helping me.